Hi, my name is Rostao Embaha and today I will discuss what is media and cyber or digital literacies. First of all, I will discuss what is media literacy. Media literacy is an expanded conceptualization of literacy that include the ability to access and analyze media as well. Create, reflect, and take action using power and information and communication to make difference in the world. So, it's the ability to access and analyze, evaluate, and communicate message in a wide variety of forms. So, the exact type of media is television, radio, newspaper, books, magazine, and etc. So, sa media literacy is napakadaling kumalat ng information or madali ka makakakuha ng information. For example, sa ibang bansa is may gera. So, mas madali natin yung malalaman kasi nga mapapanood natin ito sa TV or mababasa natin sa dyaryo. So, napakadali talagang maisali ng information sa atin dahil nga sa media literacy. And also, ngayon, pag di katulad dati na pag may ang kasama mo ay nasa malayong lugar, then kailangan mo pang susulatan siya. Then pag sinulatan mo siya is buwan bago makarating sa kanya. So napakabagal ng process ng information na bago mo mabasa. Hindi na katulad ngayon na kunyari nasa ibang bansa yung kausap mo, through chat and calls, mas madali mo na agad makakausap yung ibang tao. So napakadali na ngayon ng process ng information. So next is digital literacy. Digital literacy is the ability to locate, evaluate, create, and communicate information on various digital platforms. So dito na papasok yung kakayanan mong i-manipula ang isang kagamitan. For example, sa simpleng paggamit ng mouse, dapat marunong ka gumamit ng mouse, magpindot ng keyboard, tapos alam mo rin yung mga kung paano ito ayusin pag may nasisira. Yun ay isa kang digital literacy. So, skills and competencies listed by Shapiro and Hughes 1996. So, first is tools literacy. Next is resource literacy, social structural literacy, research literacy, publishing literacy, emerging technologies literacy, and critical literacy. Next is Bowden 2008 collated the skills and competencies comprising digital literacy from contemporary scholars. So, number one is underpinning. So, underpinnings is the ability to use computers in everyday lives. Next is backgrounds knowledge, knowing where information or particular subject or topic were found. Next is central competencies and attitudes and perspectives.